Hello everyone, this is Siddharth from Dr. Droid. So let's look at a day-to-day scenario, where are our alerts channel? Oh yeah, here. My alert channels, demo alerts and prod alerts are muted. And I guess you know why there's just too many alerts. The idea is how quickly can you clean this up and can you use AI to make it easy. So I've created a bot called DrDroidBot. You just have to add it to any of your alert channels. As soon as you add it to your alert channels, you get this dashboard. So there are two alert channels that are there. Then it has automatically identified all the different tools that are sending you alerts. And the first thing it shows you is most repeated alerts in the last 2 weeks. These are the alerts that are creating 80% of the noise. If you can clear up these 4-5 alerts, you're sorted. And there is a UUID or an identifier. If I tell you Datadog and a monitor ID, you know exactly where you need to go in Datadog and change the thresholds or mute it or not make it alert, because anything that buzzes 100 times in 2 weeks and it's not in the same instance, it's distributed over a certain duration. So you can instantly know that this is just noise or information, but you get these insights right out of the box in the dashboard. And then you see many other graphs. Sometimes you also get an indicator. For example, in this scatter plot, you can see something new happened. This one is most likely an incident. These are additional tags that we've been able to extract all using AI from your existing alert data. Awesome. So try it out. Thank you.